Alright guys, welcome to today's video, and in this one we're actually gonna be breaking some publishing news, kind of, because today is Friday, December 20th, and just this morning we got an email from KDP saying that, actually I'm just gonna put it up on the screen, basically saying that there are now AMS ads for France, Italy, and Spain. And this is actually it's great news, first of all, and it's also just proving that like the publishing space is currently, and as it has been doing for years and years, always just evolving right now, which makes me think of just it's absolutely hilarious. People just constantly always think they're too late. They think it's already saturated. It doesn't work. I'm too late. It worked years ago. Now it's over. Everything's over. And this actually makes me want to read an email that one of our best friends, Ollie, sent out to his email list. Ollie has been in publishing for years. He's a copywriter, one of the best, funniest, greatest people that I know. But I just want to read the email real quick because it just so brilliantly explains what I'm talking about with that, with how everyone thinks they're always just too late to the show. So let me pull it up here, and I will also toss it up on the screen. We can read it together. So the email says, here's something they won't tell you every day. Everyone hears about business opportunities far too late. You're being relayed information from a bygone time, am I saying that right? Bygone time, from people longing for the nostalgia of the good old days. When I published my first book, people were already telling me it was too late and that every good niche was saturated. That didn't prevent me from making over $300,000 in publishing since then, and it shouldn't prevent you either. But it will never be as easy as it once was. Once was being an abstract period of time when each individual was at the peak of their powers. For some, that's 2014, for others 2016, and for many more, it will be 2019. But for you, you'll always be too late. It's that simple. And if those facts scare you, then you might as well go and get a job. Now, if you can't tell, this whole thing is like sarcastic, explaining how people, they always think that specifically them at every current point in time, they're always too late to the party, and this is just extremely evident within publishing. Even though publishing continues to evolve, new things come out. For example, like what I'm making this video about today is the new AMS ads update, where they now have ads for France, Italy, and Spain. That has never been possible. So listen, if you are constantly feeling that way, like, oh, I'm just always too late, I never got into things at the peak of their prime, well, now's the opportunity. Now something brand new. Like, the only way you can get on something early is if someone makes a breaking video about something coming out on the day it's released, and then you go in on that brand new thing, okay? And in this case, it's these new AMS ads marketplaces. And it's really become a big topic that I have, I become prone to ranting sometimes, because I'll just be honest, I get annoyed when people complain about, I can't make money, I don't know how to do this and that. Yet what you need to do and the resources to make the money is right in front of you. It's right in front of you. Just fucking do it then, okay? And Amazon ads is just the absolute most perfect example of that. If you have a book out right now, just one, you can start running some Amazon ads and make money that you didn't have before tomorrow. You can have more money tomorrow just by doing this thing. And Amazon ads is so we played around with Google ads, Facebook ads, gonna get in on TikTok ads, but Amazon ads is the simplest shit on planet Earth. So if you are not running Amazon ads, or even if you're running some, but you're not spending more, you are consciously making the decision, I am going to make less money for myself. Now, you probably aren't doing it on purpose. It's probably because you're unaware of how like ads actually work. It's money in, money out. You put in more money, you get more out, especially when the platform is as simple as Amazon ads. So how Amazon ads have been previously, So let me just give a quick little bird's eye view of the situation. So for the longest time with publishing, you could really only run ads realistically for everyone on the US platform. So they had US, they had UK, and they had Canada. These three platforms. US, everyone could get into. UK, some people could get into, some couldn't. It was kind of wishy-washy. And Canada, like no one can realistically run ads on there. It just has to do with like getting your ads account approved by Amazon. So how it used to be is you would have to create an ads account and send applications for these different advertising platforms within the marketplaces. But now when you start a KDP account and you just set up to run any ads, and I'm not going to do a screen share and go into doing this step-by-step tutorial because those are the types of videos I really don't enjoy making. I just truly don't enjoy making videos for people who need me to tell you, click this and click this and do that, say this, think that, not even think that because these people normally can't think for themselves. It's just they need everything told for them every step along the way or else they won't do it. So what I'm just going to tell you is give you the overview and then you go do it for yourself. So how it is now, inside of your KDP dashboard, if you just click, I think the button says promote and advertise, click that button. Then you go to another button on the page that says like create an ad campaign. Click on that ad campaign and then maybe go through a few other steps. Then you are automatically on all these new advertising platforms. I should call them marketplaces. The US, UK as well, you get instant access to. Germany, France, Italy, Spain. These 6 you get instant access to. So if you were using an excuse before for why you weren't running ads, like, oh, I can't get approved for these different ad accounts. Now you certainly don't have that excuse. So basically what I'm saying is right now, if you have a book live on Amazon, you get instant access to advertise on all of these marketplaces. So at this point, you have no excuse not to use them, although I take that back. Everyone has a million excuses why not to do something that's gonna help them. People have a million excuses all the time. But if you want to get in on something now and not feel like you're always too late to the party, you gotta start running ads on these new marketplaces right now. And if people are gonna make comments saying, oh, are they profitable? Am I gonna make money on them? Like, dude, okay. I feel like this totally goes without saying. They came out today. I don't know, but try. Go out and try something. And the point of this video was to bring attention to the new marketplaces to run ads on for your books. Great, amazing, fun, exciting, everything. But it's really also to draw attention to the fact that running Amazon ads to your books is like push button easy. So many people, there's about 2% of people are willing to do the work that actually creates a successful business. And that's why 1 to 2% of people can create a successful business. Then the other 98% of people want something that's only push button easy. Like, I'll only do it if it's push button easy. Basically where you push a button and make money. And Amazon ads is the closest thing I've seen to that. So if you want to make money, now's your opportunity. Run some Amazon ads if you have any books up. And I'll end this video by just putting up a few. I'll put some screenshots on the screen just to give you an idea. So the one I'll put up there is from our buddy Dane. He used to actually do our camera work in Bali. We got him into publishing. And as you can see, he spent like $2,900 with his Amazon ads and did over $10,000 in sales. Now that sales, it's fair to assume about 50% of that comes back as royalties. So spent $3,000 to make $5,000. And I already know that anyone who thinks, oh, that's not very good return on ad spend. That's not very good return on ad spend. If you just thought that for a second, even for just a split second, spend $3,000 to make $5,000, you are your own problem. You are your own worst enemy. You are creating these stupid, illogical reasonings in your head to why you shouldn't be doing something. Spending $3,000 to make $2,000 profit is absolutely incredible. And if he had not run his Amazon ads, he wouldn't have made this extra two grand. And like, we've been working with Dane. This is how we got him into publishing. He's been living with us and everything. So getting some personalized attention from us. And he doesn't have many books. He only has a few books, and like his publishing results are just on the road to going to the moon. He's already making a few extra grand a month, which is great. And we also told him the other day, okay, bro, you're doing great with the US ads. Start running some UK ads as well. He's like, okay. So he did. He just sent us a screenshot of some results. Now, did he get rich from that? No. But hey, he just started running some ads. I don't know what the screenshot says exactly, but that's like 30 extra pounds that you made because you decided to press some buttons and run some ads to your books. And the topic of Amazon ads has just become a pretty big topic of conversation inside of our Facebook group, the AIA Facebook group, simply because people are finally starting to like voice their opinions about it. How, guys, it's as simple as turn it on and make more money. It's as simple as turn it on and make more money. So that's also what I'm trying to explain here. Now, final thing I want to say in this video is if you want to make money with your ads, here is what we have realized makes the absolute biggest differences. You can easily spend $1,000 on Amazon ads and make like $100 back. Shit, you could probably make no money back. Spend $100 and not a single person buys your shit. And it's because you have a trash book and it has nothing to do with the ads. People who blame an advertising platform for not making them money, it's not the advertising platform's fault. It's their own fault because they're messing up along the way. So here's what you need to do to make good money from Amazon ads. Have a good cover, a really good cover. There are two things that are the biggest factors that have the biggest impact on your return on ad spend. Your cover and your reviews. Boom. And then title's important as well, but really have a great cover and have good reviews. You don't need to have 20 reviews. Shit, you don't even need to have 10 reviews. Shit, you don't even need to have 5 reviews. Let's say 1 to 3 reviews that are 5 stars, and then your Amazon ads will increase their efficiency by multiples. Okay? Good cover, good reviews. How do you do those things? This is not what this video is for. We have 174 other videos last time I checked, most of them about publishing. Now, what I will do below this video, however, in the description is link to videos about Amazon ads that we've created a little while back. And you can watch those to give you some more insight into Amazon ads, because seriously, at this point, if you're in publishing and you're not running Amazon ads, I should block you from our channel. Like, I wish I could. YouTube doesn't have this feature, but block you from being able to watch our videos. Like, you wouldn't deserve to watch our videos if you aren't doing the push button simple thing to make yourself more money. Then what's all of this stuff we're talking about even mean to you? It's irrelevant if you won't just grab and eat the lowest hanging fruit here, which is Amazon ads right now and audiobooks, but that's not what this is about. Okay? With that said, the magic emoji of the day is, there's nothing in front of me, which reminds me, I'm in my new apartment in Australia and I'm fully embracing the minimalist lifestyle, which is why there's nothing in this room. So magic emoji of the day is the microphone. Drop the microphone emoji if you watch this video to the end, and also drop a comment of what your thoughts are with everything I said in this video. Now, let me just, okay, I'm gonna have to transition audio from using this mic to that mic. But I'll quickly show you what we got going on here. So this is my office, minimalist style to the max. Here, moved in a few days ago. I got a bathroom here. Actually, let me start from the front door entrance. Front door entrance. This is also, Rasmus has not yet seen my apartment, so this is for Rasmus to watch. So here's, you walk in, living room. There's a workspace for my girlfriend Charlotte. She works there. Got a couch. Got kitchen, fridge. So what do we got here? So we're all keto. I have just started the keto diet. Been doing it for about 2 weeks. I'm having fun with it. Just getting over the keto flu. Laundry room in there. There's my office. Bathroom. Nice big balcony. Oh, that color doesn't look so good. There we go, that helps. Nice big balcony. 7th floor. This is Gold Coast, Australia. And shoe spot. Bedroom. Minimalist bedroom, not much going on. Closet, other bathroom, and that's that. So there's a quick apartment tour for everyone, mainly for Rasmus, so he could see it. And yes, that is the end of this video. Drop that magic emoji, the microphone. Final comment, the reason why we're doing this minimalist lifestyle living kind of way is so that can block out all distractions, all the noise, and just focus on my main goal right now, which is growing the business and making more money. I'm in a period in my life right now where that's my goal. I'm okay with sacrificing other things such as social life, family. I love my family, I love my friends, but there's a time to sacrifice things like that. Forget everything and just have what's important, which is the desk, a place to sleep, and food. So for a lot of people, if you're not making as much money as you want, that's such a broad blanket term to say, but if you're not making as much money as you want, big reason is because you're not focusing enough on it. You're not spending enough time trying to make more money, whether it's publishing or whatever the hell it is. You're doing other things, okay? So focus in on it, and trust me, you'll make more money if it's your #1 main focus in life, and if you forget everything else that isn't that, okay? That's in this video. Have a good day.